Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best earring DIY is probably one of the most rewarding and expressive crafts you can do, allowing you to create unique and personalized jewelry that perfectly reflects your style. In this video, I will guide you through the process of making your own earrings from start to finish, covering everything from selecting materials and tools to assembling and finishing your creations. So get ready to unleash your creativity and transform simple materials into stunning works of wearable art. Number 5. DOODLE Hog Polymer Clay Earring Kit. It's time to get creative. This kit has everything you need to make 12 pairs of unique earrings. Let's get started. This kit includes high-quality polymer clay, tools, and all the findings you'll need. Everything is here for you to start making earrings immediately. We use only premium materials. It features 5 vibrant clay colors, hypoallergenic components, and durable tools, ensuring your earrings are beautiful and comfortable to wear. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners. The kit comes with a step-by-step guide and all the necessary components to create stunning earrings. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is perfect for teens and adults who love DIY and crafting. It's a fun and creative way to express yourself. What we like? It has everything you need to make 12 pairs of earrings, including clay, tools, and findings. It comes with a step-by-step guide, making it perfect for beginners. If you're new to jewelry making and want a fun, easy project, this kit is for you. What people say? Adults would enjoy this because the jewelry you can make is really super cute, but I believe that kids would have fun with this as well, probably beginning at 10 years old. This kit is the best for anyone who wants to make their own earrings. Easy to use. Great materials to create cute earrings. She's really enjoying the challenge of mixing colors and coming up with new designs. Number 4. SUNNYCLUE Shell Dangle Earring Kit. This kit includes easy-to-follow instructions and a convenient storage box. All the materials are organized, making crafting a breeze. Make 10 stunning pairs of earrings with this kit. It has everything you need to follow the included instructions or unleash your creativity. You'll receive various high-quality components, linking rings, pendants, earring hooks, and more. Everything is neatly packaged for your convenience. These earrings are lightweight, comfortable to wear, and made with safe materials, perfect even for sensitive ears. They have a gorgeous, high-end look. Make a meaningful handmade gift for your loved ones. It's a fun activity and a thoughtful present for any occasion. What we like? All materials are neatly organized in a box with easy-to-follow instructions. You'll be able to create 10 pairs of stunning, geometric shell earrings. If you appreciate beautiful, organized crafting supplies and want to make elegant earrings, this is the kit for you. What people say? Nice quality. Cute little kit we definitely recommend. Number 3. Thrilez 600 PCS Earring Kit. Introducing the Thrilez 600-piece earring kit, perfect for all your DIY jewelry needs. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to create beautiful, custom earrings. It's an amazing value. You get 200 earring hooks in silver and gold, 200 jump rings in matching colors, and 200 clear rubber backs. That's 600 pieces in total. They're made with care. The earring hooks are made of hypoallergenic 925 silver-plated copper, ensuring comfort. The backs are made of clear silicone for a secure and comfortable fit. No need to buy these separately. This kit comes with plenty of jump rings, essential for connecting your earring components and making the process easier. It's easy to keep organized. Each item is in its own bag, preventing tangles. Everything is neatly packaged in a box for easy storage and portability. They're incredibly versatile. Use them for earrings, of course, but also combine them with other findings to create unique jewelry and ornaments. Unleash your creativity. What we like? This kit offers a massive 600 pieces of earring hooks, jump rings, and backs. They're made of high-quality, hypoallergenic materials, ensuring comfort and safety. If you need a large supply of high-quality, hypoallergenic earring making supplies, this is the best option. What people say? All the parts seem to be good and not faulty. The assortment of earring backs, hooks, and other components has made it easy for me to experiment with different designs, which is great for both my hobby projects and more professional pieces. The hypoallergenic aspect is a huge plus, as it ensures that my creations can be worn by those with sensitive skin without concern. I love that these are stainless steel and come in gold and silver color. I have tried them out and am very happy with them so far. Nice and shiny. Number 2. 450 PCS Earring Posts Kit. This kit has everything you need to create your own earrings. It includes earring posts, butterfly clutches, and rubber backs in a variety of sizes. They're made from hypoallergenic stainless steel and durable rubber, ensuring comfort and longevity. No need to worry about skin irritations. With 2 sizes of earring posts and plenty of backs, you have options for various earring designs. It's easy to find the perfect fit. These posts have flat pads, perfect for gluing on gems or other embellishments. Unleash your creativity and make unique earrings. They're ideal for everyday wear, special events, or even as gifts. The versatile design suits many styles. This large kit provides excellent value, giving you all the components you need for numerous earring-making projects. Save money and time. What we like. It includes 2 sizes of earring posts and a variety of backs, offering flexibility in your designs. The materials are safe and easy to work with. If you need replacement earring posts and backs, or want to make simple stud earrings, this is a great choice. What people say. The stainless steel material is excellent, hypoallergenic and durable, perfect for sensitive ears. Each earring post comes with a flat pad, which provides a secure base for attaching beads, cabochons, or other embellishments. The set includes butterfly backs and rubber backs, offering options for different preferences and ensuring that earrings stay comfortably in place. Number 1. Earring Making Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to start making earrings. It includes earring hooks, jump rings, ear backs, and a variety of hoops in different styles. It's made from high-quality, hypoallergenic materials. They're nickel-free and lead-free, ensuring safe and comfortable wear. Mix and match components to create unique earrings. Let your creativity shine with different beads, pendants, and charms. Even beginners can easily create beautiful earrings. Simply add your favorite beads and secure them with pliers. Make earrings with friends and family, or give them as thoughtful, handmade gifts for any occasion. This kit provides endless possibilities for crafting stunning and personalized earrings. Enjoy the process and the beautiful results. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to create various earring styles, including hooks, jump rings, and backs. The materials are high quality and durable. If you want a comprehensive kit to create many different earring styles, this is a great option. What people say. Replaced all my old stainless steel or nickel hooks with these and it was so easy. This is a great sensitive skin starter kit for earrings. I've made lots of beautiful pieces and give them as gifts. Best part is that nearly anyone can enjoy and use them because it's sterling silver. Easy to use and works great. I have sensitive ears. I haven't had any issues wearing these earring hooks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.